life hack! I got fired from Buffalo Wild Wings!
Hey Jordan, I like those pants.
Yeah, they're 50% off.
I wish they were 100% off.
Well, stores can't sell free pants, really.
They're like, hey man, what you just say?
When you ain't sure what your homie just said, you gotta be like, fuck you said.
Boys will really have the audacity to hit you up at 2 o'clock in the morning after a thirsty Thursday talking about some what are you doing? No sir, what are you doing? Cause I just finished my skincare routine about 2 hours ago. I've been buried under some blankets watching Netflix and minding my business. Now you and I both know we got class tomorrow, and unlike you, I belong to the sheets and you belong to the streets. So you better slap me on a penny and call me Abraham because we are not Lincoln. Now good night and get some help.
Yeah, I'm a musician. My D major.
What's new, Scooby-Doo? We're coming after you. We're gonna solve that mystery.
A boy on Snap asked me if I did stuff, and I thought he meant like sports and stuff, and as a joke I said I collect marbles, but I don't, which I don't.
I love you.
I love you.
Why are you mimicking me?
You know what?
I was a very mean kid in the first grade. I remember there was this kid scared of the Cat in the Hat, so I would print out a picture of the Cat in the Hat at home, bring it to school, and rip out the lips, and I'd be like, "Hello, Emily."
On a Sunday night and not to worry about shit.
People always ask me, what's your sexuality? I am as straight as the edge of this grave.
Hey, be careful throwing that. If you break it, it's 7 years of bad luck.
You can fall in love with a guy who's got money just as easy as you can fall in love with a guy who doesn't have money. So get the guy who's got the money.
Damn, are you the sun? She teeth yellow.
Excuse me, sir, this isn't the song I chose. So, this is Girls Just Wanna Have Fun. I'm not gonna sing this song. Son of a bitch! Come on!
Wake up, asshole.
And then we couldn't find any candles, so happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Give me something. Give me Pennywise. Come on, come on, come on. Give me something good.
Onion.
It says union.
Onion.
What's a nickel?
This is a nickel. Turn of the time. Mom. If you record that, you're in trouble.
Mom! I always thought this was a nickel! Okay.
Another shot? Yes, I do. Come here, get up. How was it?
Divine.
And that's how you know, Madeline. That's how you know that you're drunk as shit, because that was fucking water.
You bitch.
So ordered these by accident. There's about 100 in there. And everyone's been saying I should do the watermelon challenge. But I'm thinking instead of a watermelon, I'm just going to use my head instead.
Thank you for choosing Dairy Queen. What can I get for you today?
Chocolate vanilla swirl, cookie crust leaf.
Do you? No.
So it's like 5 o'clock in the morning, and I just left this guy's house, and I stole some tamales from his house, and I'm so excited to eat them. I will never publicly admit that I'm having a breakdown, but I will give you a life hack. If you cry hard enough to the Sonic worker, they'll give you an ice cream cone for free.
7,000 people in this world, and I only have 2 friends.
It's day 9 of quarantine, and they're making a gender reveal cake.
Or we could just like this.
Nobody's pregnant.
A bagel like that? That's not that big. That's ginormous.
That was literally you.
Break up with him! Break up with him!
You know, ever since we started dating, I have gained 20 pounds. I mean, I got a gym membership. You wanna go? Wrong answer. How about now, baby? You look good. What the fuck are you doing?
I'm vibing.
Holy shit!
I got strong ass toes!
Oh my god.
He's faster than speed. He is light.
Wow, this turkey is almost as juicy as my ass.
My fuck, this is my house.
Put it.
I used to enter my house.
Turn it on.
Look at this. This is a forklift.
Hey guys. Sorry, something felt wrong in the brain. I had to fix it real quick, so I gave myself a concussion. Hopefully I wake up tomorrow speaking a new language. Arigato goz-
It's just as though if you come forward now, no one is going to get in trouble.
Yeah, but I don't know what you're
We
talking about.
have you on camera, okay, taking the sign.
I did not take the sign.
I don't know why you think that this is one of those things that is debatable.
I get pulled over and ticketed. The police officer talking about, what's your essential reason to go out? I said therapy. He said, what therapy office is open? Needless to say, I got a ticket.
Wait, Isabella.
Shit, man.
You got it, Ma.
This is gonna be so fucked. I'm about to pay so much.
It's okay, I'll help you.
God damn it.
Hey! Criminal Minds, bitch. Oh, shit.
She's literally fine. She's fine. No, we're not going home. She's fine. You're fine.
Say something loud.
Croissant.
Oh my god, my best friend! Move! What the
Are you serious?
Who is that person?
That's me.
I know, but who is it my face on you or something?
No, you just supposed to look old, but you so damn old you can't tell.
Kiss my ass.
Abunda la caca.
You don't even put anything in it. You don't even put strawberry stuff or chocolate stuff or anything.
Strawberry stuff or chocolate stuff, because I would.
Then go buy some. Stop drinking normal milk. Are you a